I'm going to show you how to make pesto today. My pesto has 5 ingredients and none of them are parmesan. You don't need it. As long as you have salt in the mix, the parmesan is irrelevant. So if you're someone who chooses not to eat dairy, this is a good option for you. We grow all of our basil here over the summer, and the secret to growing lots of good healthy basil is to plant these guys, marigolds, with your basil. That keeps the bugs at bay, so there's less for them, more for you. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to throw half a cup of almonds into the food processor. I use almonds rather than pine nuts because they have more calcium in them, and hello, they're a third of the price. Blitz that up until they're about a third of the size. Okay, next we're going to add a half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and about 3/4 teaspoon of boring old salt. You can put more if you like. 3 really big handfuls of fresh basil leaves. Press them down into the food processor because they're a little bit bulky when you're putting them in. I'm going to add in, this is about, 2 cloves of garlic. Just make sure your garlic is cooked before you add it. Don't put fresh garlic in because it ruins the taste of pesto. And this is half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Throw that in. And we'll blitz that. Give it a little bit of a poke around halfway. You can see how much the bulk of that basil has reduced. That's why we want to press it in initially. Get as much in there as you can. And there it is, done. How easy is that? 5 ingredients, packed with goodness, and absolutely beautiful. Look, I do little blobs of this on baking paper, freeze that, and then put them in Snaplock bags once it's frozen and into the freezer to keep you going through the winter months. If you enjoyed watching this video, press like and hit subscribe to see more of what we're doing on One Paddock Farm.